guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, Derek's View. Right now it's 1st of March, starting the month with a ride. Today is Saturday, 1st of March. Right now heading with a short ride to Kolar, towards Kolar. So we are riding with Vikas, Karthik bro. Karthik bro is one of our subscribers. You guys might have seen in one of our video. He came with the street triple. So extra 2 of his friends are also joining. So right now I should go to the meter point. Meter point is at Tin Factory. The last ride which I did was the Penukonda ride with my cousins. It was the last one. After that I didn't go anywhere. It's been days, bro. 2 weeks. Alright, I'm pretty close to the meter point. Here is the meter point, the metro station. This is the Tin Factory. I told them to keep their hazards on. Let's see where they are. Hi.
Bro, after a long time.
Yeah, hi bro. Sorry for being late. Where are your friends? Where are your friends?
There, wait out.
Okay, come, let's go.
Even they are late, I think.
Is it? We'll go front.
Audio is not recording.
Audio isn't recording.
I have selected that blue armor.
Hmm.
I selected this blue armor as a mic.
Okay.
I'm connected.
Alrighty, starting the ride from here. Climbing on to the hanging bridge. The most common way, H bridge. Here local Bangalore people, like not most of them, some say it is as H bridge. You know, you will get to know that, you know, when you see H bridge or hanging bridge. Because it looks like a H, right? A letter. Look at that, Ducati is going right there. Is that the hyper motorrad? Yeah, it is. Look at that machine, bro. It's a V-twin actually. There goes Karthik bro. Oh, look at that multi-strada. What man, Ducati boys are on a rider. Look at this. That's the desert color. A matte grey. That looks so cool, huh? Here we are, ITI. The ITI cross. Here some of Karthik bro's friends are also joining. Boys, look here, look what we have here. We got the street triple family. This brother has silver, matte grey, yellow, red, and those look good. So actually, these two are coming with us, and though rest three motorcycles are another group, so another person is waiting ahead. So they won't be joining us. It's just these two and two GTs, and there is one Tiger coming up. So once they come in, we'll ride out. Starting the ride from here. Right now we'll merge onto the highway and then continue, boys. From here, a little bit traffic. I'll meet you guys after Hoskote toll gate. Here we are, Hoskote toll gate. Let's start. This is R. That is also R. RS sports variant ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That was RS.
Best to give me your loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see.
Officially the ride has started. Let's have fun.
They'll be calling me royalty.
There goes Karthik bro. There he goes. There we got Vikas coming behind. There goes my speedometer dancing. I will take it to the service center tomorrow or in this week. What is this, boys? Sun covered off. No, we have fog here. Looks like it's going to rain. I hope it doesn't rain, bro. Full cold. It's completely cold, bro. Here. Few minutes back we saw the sun. Sunrise was nice. And here it is completely covered, dude. Boys, look at this Harley Davidson. Look at the paint job. And there are shimmers in it. That paint looks so good, bro. Look at that, man. GS R1200, Parak, Z900, 10R, Z1000, Buza. Look at this Ionic. Futuristic car, huh? Look at that rim size, bro. That's 21 inch or something. Oh, 20 inch. I like the tail lights, bro, in this car. I somehow like this machine. Look at that, bro. Futuristic interiors. Now we are riding to Kamath to have breakfast. Look at this, boys. Tiger 800. I have seen this motorcycle with the Shriman Kodaru's channel. So if you are familiar with his channel, no, he used to have this exact bike, the Dark Horse. So you need to keep it on your foot pegs first and then climb on it. Look at that TFT screen, dude. I'll put it this way. It's on first gear now. Hey, damn, dude, that's smooth.
Gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
Yeah, recording is on. Yeah. Man, to climb on this bike is crazy, dude.
Any suggestions, bro, for the video recording?
Nothing, bro, just record. This one has that nice whistling noise, bro. Nice whistling noise.
Yeah, that is why.
I think the new Tigers don't get that noise.
The firing order is different.
Ah, different, correct.
Engine order structure is different. The firing order is different.
Yeah, they said that, it kind of feels like the crossplane.
Yeah.
But this sound is sweet.
That is why I got this model, because this was the last of its kind. After that, they
I used to
stopped
watch
producing.
this Shriman Kotaru. He had this same exact bike, same color.
And when you post the videos, no, share me the link.
Yeah, sure, done, bro. Yeah, fine, bro. What exhaust are these, bro? Rhino exhaust. As the Super Meteor. See, that is an advantage with a adventure tourer. You can just saddle. Though if you have an off-road patch or a speed breaker, no, you can just stand up and fly off. You don't need to slow down the bike. But with these street bikes, right, the GT, Street Triple, you need to slow down completely. Otherwise, you come in little bit in a speed, right? You hit the what do you say? Some guard or the bash plate. With the ADVs, you don't have that feature. You don't have that issue. You can easily just go ahead. All right, done with the ride. Bye bye, bro. See you. Nice meeting you, bro. Bye, bro. Nice meeting you. Ride safe. So all right, today's ride comes to an end. It was pretty short. Now heading back home. So hope you guys like this video, boys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you like what I do, please hit the subscribe button, and do follow me on Instagram, boys. I keep posting reels, photography and other stuff, and I'll see you guys in another one. Until then, tata, bye bye.